Can a clean room boost your teen mental health? Imagine walking into your room and feeling instantly calmer just because everything is in its place. It might sound simple, but keeping a clean room can actually help your mental health in many ways. When your space is tidy, it reduces the chaos around you, making it easier to focus on homework or relax after a busy day. A cluttered room can make you feel overwhelmed and anxious because your mind often mirrors your environment. Cleaning up your space can give you a sense of control, which is important for feeling stable and confident. Plus, a tidy room helps keep dust, germs, and allergens away, making it healthier to breathe and sleep better. When you keep your space clean, it can boost your mood because you feel accomplished every time you finish tidying up. This small win can make you feel more confident about handling other responsibilities like chores or schoolwork. Contributing to household chores by cleaning your room also helps build better family relationships. When you take responsibility for your space, it shows respect for your family and creates a cooperative atmosphere. Working with your parents on chores can reduce arguments and help everyone feel more connected. To make cleaning easier, set small goals like tidying your desk or putting away clothes every day. Creating a routine makes cleaning less stressful and more automatic. Your family can support you by noticing your efforts and avoiding pressure that might make cleaning feel like a burden. Keep in mind, if your room is very messy all the time and it's hard to keep it clean, it might be a sign of other issues like depression or attention problems. If you or your family notice this, talking to a counselor or mental health professional can help. Overall, a clean room can be a simple way to improve your mental health by creating a peaceful, organized space. It also helps strengthen family bonds when everyone pitches in. So next time you tidy up, remember, it's not just about cleanliness, it's about feeling better inside and out.